Now start. Oh, what letter is D? Okay, come on.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
T?
T.
Oy, galing. Alright, next. Come on, what letter is this?
B.
Okay, what letter is this? Come on.
A, B, C, C.
Oy, galing ah. Okay, what letter is this? Mm.
A, B, C, C.
No?
A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D.
What letter?
C.
No, this one? A, B, C.
D.
Oh, what letter?
C.
D. It's D. We're in a D.
D.
Alright.
A,
Okay.
B, C, D.
Okay, what letter is this?
A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I.
Ay, good job. This one. A, B.
C, D, H, I.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. H, I.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
V, W, X.
Y.
Ah, galing ah. How about this?
Z.
Good job. How about this one?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
R. Good job. So now, you better remember each letters here, okay? And then tomorrow, we will redo it again.
How about not remembered?
You will remember, I'm sure.
Okay.
What letter is this?
How about A?
Oh, A. This one?
B.
This one?
A, B.
C.
C.
Okay, this one? Oh my gosh.